To make the cookie dough bonbons, you will need 1 can of organic chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 4 tablespoons of smooth nut butter, we've used almond, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of sea salt, and 1 1/4 cup of carob or dark chocolate chips. To make the cookie dough bonbons, add everything to the food processor except the chocolate chips. Process these ingredients until a smooth mixture forms. Next, add in 1/4 cup of your chocolate chips and pulse again just a couple of times. Pinch and roll the dough into balls slightly smaller than a ping pong ball. Pop these into the freezer on a plate for about an hour or two until they are set. While the cookie dough is in the freezer, you can melt the chocolate chips and coconut oil using a double boiler method like this. Once your cookie dough balls are firm enough, remove from the freezer and dip them into the melted chocolate one by one with the help of a spoon or a fork to coat them evenly. Repeat until all are done. You'll see that the chocolate will set straight away. These can be stored in the fridge unless you eat them all first.